One of our customers installed the Lexmark CS310 series toner cartridge chips in opposite direction. So we intentionally explain the installation method of this chip today. Firstly, we need to confirm the region version, yield and color of this chip, the specific method as shown in the picture. We check where the chip is installed first, find out the position of chip, remember the direction of chip contact point. There is a screen board in front of the chip holder. Pry the clip in the flank direction slightly. Take out the screen board. Then you can remove the chip holder. Remove the fixing screw of the used chip. Then you can take out the used chip successfully. Then install a new JIT CS310 toner cartridge chip. Pay attention to the chip installation direction. Twist the screw. Put back the chip holder and pay attention to the chip contact point. It is forward to the direction of screen board. Push it into the chip holder flatly like this. Then insert the screen board back. The longer side is on the left. Insert it in like this. Now we finished the CS310 toner cartridge chip installation. Meanwhile, you can refer to JYD chip installation picture. Any question about printer toner cartridge chip, please ask JYD. Welcome to leave us message in the comments section.